For all my followers out there, got a lot now, just so you know. Look at the numbers. Numbers don't lie. Got the new Chute here on the can cruncher. 4-inch, 90, and a Street 45. Pull the cans down in there. I don't really have time to be doing that. It's bad enough I gotta press the button, but let's give it a shot. The button. See if I can get the shot here. One more. Can't crush it that way. Let's try it again. You don't really need to see me press the button, do you? Got a couple cat food cans here. I don't like to stay in there though. Maybe get lucky. There we go. Try again. Two more. Oh, that's riveting. This is what you guys signed up for. Last one to the next video. Okay, that's it for now. She's a beaut.